Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word tossed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She tossed her keys onto the table before collapsing onto the couch in exhaustion. In this context, tossed means to throw something lightly or casually, often with a quick or careless motion, as demonstrated by tossing the keys onto the table. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.